Motormotive brings you the latest updates on groundbreaking vehicles and innovations shaping the automotive industry. In this video, we delve into the much-anticipated 2025 Tesla Model 2, the car that aims to redefine affordability and accessibility in the electric vehicle market. The Tesla Model 2 is rumored to be the company's first EV priced around $25,000, making it a game-changer for budget-conscious consumers seeking sustainable transportation. Designed with Tesla's signature innovation and efficiency, the Model 2 is expected to maintain the company's high standards for performance and design while catering to a broader audience. The compact design of the Tesla Model 2 is said to be ideal for urban environments, featuring a sleek and futuristic look that aligns with Tesla's aesthetic philosophy. Despite its affordable price, the Model 2 is likely to include advanced features such as Tesla's autopilot, over-the-air software updates, and a user-friendly interface on the central touchscreen. Reports suggest that the Model 2 will utilize Tesla's next-generation battery technology, promising an impressive range for its size and price point. This innovation could further solidify Tesla's position as a leader in battery efficiency and sustainability. The vehicle is also expected to have quick acceleration and responsive handling, ensuring it delivers the fun-to-drive experience that Tesla vehicles are known for. Tesla's manufacturing advancements, including the use of gigapress technology and streamlined production processes, may play a significant role in keeping costs down while maintaining quality. This approach not only makes the Model 2 more affordable but also helps Tesla scale up production to meet the expected high demand for this vehicle. The Model 2 could also pave the way for Tesla's expansion into markets where affordability is a key factor for EV adoption. With governments around the world pushing for stricter emissions regulations and incentives for EVs, the timing of the Model 2's release seems perfect for tapping into new demographics. While there's much speculation surrounding the exact specifications and features of the Tesla Model 2, one thing is certain: it has the potential to revolutionize the EV market by making sustainable transportation accessible to millions. Keep watching Motormotive for more updates, reviews, and insights on the latest in the automotive world.